Morton Jones offers quality fencing solutions for commercial and industrial clients in Wrexham, North and Mid Wales, Shropshire, Cheshire, Wirral and Merseyside. Our experts have a unique blend of experience and technical expertise when it comes to both commercial and domestic fencing. Discuss your needs with our team and we'll design and install a bespoke fencing solution that adds the security you require. We also specialise in the installation of durable security fencing specifically manufactured for industrial purposes. We use top quality materials to create security fencing that discourage climbing and act as a highly effective deterrent to intruders. You can also depend on us for fence maintenance and repair services. Have a specialist requirement? That's not a problem. We can fabricate fencing to your specifications. So, for more information, get in touch with our friendly team today.